How you doing, everybody? Scott Jelinek here with the Master Investor Academy. Today I wanted to go over a little bit on driving for dollars, dog hunting, and exactly how it works and what it is that we are doing. So first and foremost, you guys know what it is. We're driving around, you pick a neighborhood, a target neighborhood that you're interested in buying in, and you look for distressed properties. So we're looking for any signs of a distressed property. You may look for overgrown grass, violations on the door. You might find cars on blocks, tarps on the roof. You know the signs. I'm sure you've seen them 100 times before. But then to take it a step further, we use the new app, the Deal Machine app, and I want to show it to you exactly how it works. Actually, this is a good one right here, so I will pull over. I want to show you exactly how it works. So you pull up the Deal Machine app, and it knows exactly where you are. You hit the area, so it knows exactly where you are when you get there. Let me see the address on this house. I think it's this one, 926. So it knows where you are, so you click on it, and now it will let you know if in fact they owe and how much they owe. So right away I clicked on it. It tells me the owner's name. It's Dylan Witherspoon. The sale date, so he bought this property March 30th, 1979 for $19,900. And there's 100% equity, so there was no refi, there's no other mortgage on the property. So now you have, just with the tap of a finger, you have all the details on the property, and then all you have to do is click Add Property. And now if you want to start mailing it, you hit Start Mailer. So to take it a step further, you can hit this photo button right here. Hit turn around, take a picture of the property, which I'm just gonna take. It's not gonna be a great one. Use photo. And now you'll see there's a picture of the house, and you just hit Start Mailers. That's all there is to it, and it's going to start sending out mailers now. So I have a coupon code for you. I've been telling you guys because I want you to try this. So if you go to Deal Machine and you want to start using this to try it, put in the coupon code FREE15. That's FREE15, FREE15. And that's going to give you 2 free weeks of being able to get as much data as you want. You can drive around and get information on every house in the area, as well as 15 free postcards that you can send out. It's 15 credits. So 15 free postcards that you can send out. Now I want to tell you a statistic. I'm going to drive while I speak to you guys. So now I want to tell you a statistic on Deal Machine. Now, Deal Machine is more legwork. It's more time consuming than just doing mass direct mail. But the statistic is this: for every 200 viable deals you find, for every 200 viable deals, you took a picture, you researched it, and it was a viable distressed property. For every 200 viable distressed properties that you mail 3 times, you will buy 1 house. So keep that in mind. So it's 200 viable properties you mail to 3 different times, you will buy 1 house. So on average, I know it's a little bit less. On average, that's going to cost you about $600 to buy a house. And that's going to be one of your cheapest lead sources you're ever going to come across. So keep that in mind. When you do direct mail, you might be at $100 to $200 a lead, and it may cost you 20 leads to buy a house. So you're talking $2,000 to buy a house. Using this Deal Machine app, it's going to be about $600, but it's more time consuming. So you're actually driving around and finding target houses that you actually like or would like to buy. So again, if you're interested in using this, I have a free code for you. Go to dealmachine.com or use the Deal Machine app, and you put in the code FREE15, FREE15, FREE15. That's going to give you 2 weeks free trial, as well as 15 free credits to try it out. And if you don't like it, obviously just cancel it. It costs you absolutely nothing, but you definitely need to try it. So the other thing with this is what I'm actually doing out here today is, unlike what we normally target when we're trying to buy wholesale deals, today I'm in a neighborhood where I specifically buy slow flips, and there's an abundance of them. So we're driving around. My goal for the day is to put 50 to 100 in the Deal Machine app till we start mailing to, so we can get on that cycle, and I guarantee you I'm going to buy some of these. So anyway, you guys need to start doing it. Start getting out there, start putting them in, and send them out every couple months, and you're going to get deals from this. It's going to be your lowest cost deals that you get anywhere. That's all I have for you guys today. Thank you for watching. Remember, the code is FREE15, FREE15. FREE15, get your 2-week free trial, and go ahead and get some postcards out there and buy some houses. See you guys on the next video.